everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. Bear with me guys, I have a cold and I'm wearing fake lashes. Let me just do a shout out to all the ladies and gentlemen out there who wear fake lashes. Kudos to you guys, because I'm about to rip these out right in the middle of my video and just throw them. I mean, I don't know how you guys do it, but since I have a cold, I thought it'll be easier just to put these on. And these are magnetic. And let me just say, if we make it through the video with the lashes on, that's a score for me. So if you wear those fake lashes, guys, I'm totally impressed. I have a brand new respect for all of you who wear that, because this is insane how much it's bothering me. So it is the end of March. Wow, right? What a full, amazing month of greens and, of course, my other colors. But mostly we were a green month here. I so enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed watching, seeing all the lovely green bags and my other bags and my new bags and all the new stuff I started. Wow, there was a lot that happened this month. My collab. Thank you to everyone who joined in on that collab. I'm truly honored and touched that you guys would want to collab with me and that you actually joined in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love doing these little collabs because it's a way to meet new YouTubers out there, for people who don't know each other, and it's a great way to see everybody else's collection. So thank you to everyone who was involved. I so appreciate it. And I did, if I wasn't, I'm sure I was, but if I wasn't, I did go and subscribe to your channels as well. And I also, through watching you guys' channels, I found new people. So I love it. I love this community, how we help each other, how we join in, and we're always there for each other. And I want to say a very special thank you to the amazing, beautiful Didi Bean this month. She has been my sidekick. Did I say that right? Sidekick.
Yeah.
I always feel like, because of my mouthpiece, it's coming out as psychic. But she has been my amazing partner for the whole month. She helped me so much. So, Didi, I love you. Thank you for helping and joining in on all the wonderful things we did together here in March. I look forward to another month of amazing videos and shared ideas, and I'll call you. Of course, I'm gonna call. I probably call you later on today, because I'll have time after this video. This is the last video for the month, unless I do a short outside. I'll probably do a short outside so you guys can see my outfit. I wanted to wear some fun vintage flair for you guys, but it's cold and I have a cold, so I had to put my green jacket over, and I kind of like it. It gives me this boho look, so I like it. I hope you like my, I'm gonna do an outside thing for you guys. Maybe I'll include it in this video at the end, so stay tuned for that. We're doing the last unboxing. My last green bag that I got was an unboxing. Remember I told you guys my boxes had soiled from the rain, so it's in here. So it is another nylon. Did you guys like all the bags I got this month? I have one featured here. The first one I did. We're gonna do the last one. That's why I put it here so you guys can see it. Look at it, guys. And of course I have on here a couple of cuties for you guys to see. I have my Greta Fuchsia here. This is quite popular bag here on my channel, in the community actually. People love that bag, love that fuchsia color. Amazing. I have a suede here representing my darker greens. This is the olive. Of course I love all greens. And then this is from Portland Leather Goods. This is a gift my dear friend Suzanne says what sent me. Was it last year? I think it was last year for my birthday. I just love it. Look at the green on this. Can you see the different greens? All greens are welcome. I love all different types of greens, textures. I just love it. My favorite color. if you didn't know. But look how cute this is. Now, I have been chasing this silhouette for years. I had maybe one or two in my collection. And then, you know, when people come over, friends, family, somebody admires a bag, of course I will gift it to them because, you know, what's better than having but to give? I love to give out bags. So I did end up giving the ones I had away, and then I couldn't find more. And then when I saw this on eBay, it is an eBay purchase. Let me tell you the name. This is called a medium pocket sack. Now the sack, as you can see here, this is also a sack. It's one of my favorite bags to use. Look at how cute this is. Now this one's color just says green, which is going to be different than the other green here. But really looking at it close up, it looks exactly the same. So this is a Kelly green. This just says green. Look. How cute is this? Double pocket. It does have that stitch duck here. So this is I think it's a vintage piece because it did come with the Dooney tag on it with the ribbon. One of my friends here, I think it was Suzanne, who said the ribbon was how they used to do it before, which I like more. So it is a vintage one. It did come with this medallion, key, tag. That's a weird knot here. I'm probably going to take it apart and put it together with one of my other Dooney rings to make it actually one that I can put on and off.
They probably put the ribbon on because they didn't want it to be so easily removed, I guess. The tags, is that why? Is it as an extra layer?
It could be, yeah. It could, or it's just a feature that they used to do and maybe it got pricey or something and they stopped doing it.
Hey, who doesn't want to wear the ribbon?
Because the ribbon is silk. Of course, guys, that is my partner in crime, my son Robert, and I want to say thank you to him. He always helps me here. If he didn't help me, I don't think I would be able to put out these videos. He actually sets up while I do my makeup and my poorly done lashes. And all that. So thank you, Robert, for helping. Look at this, guys. So it does have the complicated, I call this the complicated strap. It's kind of a, I want to say removable and adjustable. Although I would not attempt to remove this or adjust it because it looks very complicated. Now when you wear it, it does go through my sleeves here. It fits. But I could see how it wouldn't fit like a lot of the, if you're a little chunkier with your arms, it probably won't fit.
Yeah, it's a bit of a tight squeeze.
Tight squeeze. But, and I don't dare say this because I know a lot of ladies who love the strap are probably going, oh, she did not say that, but I would probably remove it. I'm sorry, I know. And this is my favorite of the straps here that I can remove and put this, because this, see how it will go on? It does have the rings for it. Yeah, right? I think that's an easier strap for me to use. But
it looks like it's a kind of more of like a fastener. Like it's almost like they took a belt and turned it into
It is a belt style.
Yeah.
Yes, you're right. Look at that. It's beautiful. Just stunning. Again, what was the name? Did I say this? It is a medium pocket sack, and the color is green. Look at that. Okay, so let's back. Nothing. Of course, nylon. Nothing. Front here has these two pockets. I love these front pockets, guys. Look at that. Nice and wide pockets. And sorry, my nails are in the way. My lashes are in the way. Everything's in the way today. Been trying to make it through the video. Okay, so it is stuffed. This was marketed on there as new with tag. I guess it is new with tag, but it's not really a new bag. I'm calling this a vintage new with tag. That is how the seller had it. Look how cute. Oh, am I crazy or is that pink? That is pink in there.
Yeah, that's bright.
Pink? Yeah? So it is a vintage bag because I don't think Dooney does the pink anymore. So it's a big opening all inside. On the back here, if you can see, I don't know if camera is able to go like this, guys. Forward it. It does have that small, unusual pocket that was, at the time, good for like pagers and flip phones. But now I use that for my eyeglasses. It's a perfect fit for eyeglasses. And on this side, oh, it's so pink. Look at that. And on this side, it does have a zipper pocket, and that's it. So beautiful. What do you think of our last green bag for the green month? Did you enjoy the green month, guys? Let me know on the bottom. Are you a green color lover like me? I so enjoy the greens. I think it is, I'm going to say something that might shock you guys again, but for me, green is a neutral. And I know that's hard for some people who don't venture out from like the taupes and the blacks, because you know they're afraid that another color might be too much of a pop. But you know what, try it. If you enjoyed watching me and my other friends here showing their greens and stuff, I hope it inspired you to try a green color. Of course, there's different greens, as you can see. If you're not into like the brighter greens like this, you can start off with like a olive green, but try it. That is my goal for this month. I was hoping to inspire, to motivate, and to show that a green can be a bag that is part of your collection. And if there's a green bag out there you want to try it, give it a chance and try it, guys. You won't regret it. It is so beautiful in person, and you will get a lot of compliments. Let me come forward and try it on for you guys. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah, I could see how this would be tight if you're a little bit chunkier. It almost didn't make mine, but yeah, this is the equestrian. Is that what they call it? I think it's equestrian style. But there it is. My last bag for green month. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. Thank you again to everyone who was here with me on green month. I so enjoyed it. I am so blessed to have so many wonderful friends here on the YouTube world. And also to all my subbies who watch, who bear with me all these years. Remember, this was our anniversary month. I can't believe 3 months just flew by, guys. I'm so so happy.
Wow, 3 months in, huh?
I'm
Wow.
sorry, no, 3 months. 3 years. You see, I'm sick.
Oh, I thought you were talking about 3. I thought you were saying I can't believe it was 3 months since like the beginning of the year, which is true. It's been 3 months.
It's the 3rd month, yes. But
it's also 3 years,
I have
yeah.
a cold, guys. Bear with me.
Yeah.
So 3 years, guys. I can't believe it. 3 years flew by. So thank you again. I will see you guys for the chit chat video for April. I gotta think about what I have planned for April. So I'll see you guys there. Bye. Mwah.